Hey guys, this is Kendra Duke, HSU International Admissions Counselor. I'm going to show you how to check your class schedule and also show you how to see what books you will need for the upcoming semester. First thing you need to do is log into HSU Central. Mine is automatically logged in. Once you have done that, go down here and click Students right here. Scroll down and click Academic Planning right here. Click Student Planning. It'll take you to the next page. You should be able to see your class schedule right here. If you're not able to see your class schedule, that means you're not registered for your classes yet. You can click on any of these classes. And then you can click on the class again right here. This will pop up. It'll give you a lot of details about your classes that you need to know. I would recommend looking over all of them. Then to find out what books you need, you go down here to books, click this link, and that will take you to what books you will need for your classes. I hope this helped.